Good evening, class 3. Welcome to computer class. So, today we are going to continue with the same chapter, chapter 9, Learning Logo. If you remember, in the last class, we saw that logo is a programming language, or in the other words, you can say that it is the language of computer. This is the language. Actually, this is one of the language which the computer understands. Logo is not only the single language of computer. Computer have many languages, and those who develop or design these languages are known as programmers. So logo is one of the language which we need to learn. Now logo can be used for different purposes, or you can say there are different works of logo. How can we use it? So as you can see in the slide, features of logo or characteristics of logo. The first point is logo can be used to draw graphics. Now what does this mean? This means that you can do any drawings in it, or any shapes like square, rectangular, triangle, circle, etc. can be drawn, or you can even use it for drawing a bicycle, a scenery, a butterfly, etc. The second point is it can be used to do calculation, any calculation like multiplication, addition, subtraction, division, etc. can be done in it. The next is it can be used for typing text, like suppose you can do any writing work in it. It is possible to do the writing work with logo. So these are the different features of logo. Let us see in the next slide what is there more about logo. Before I tell you how to use the logo programming present in your computer, let me share a few facts with you. If you remember, as we were learning in the first chapter, that there are two types of things, software and hardware. Hardware are the physical things which we can touch, and software are the programs which are present inside the computer, which helps our computer to run. So Microsoft is also a such kind of a software, and there can be different type of Microsoft. Microsoft have types, or there are subtypes of it, like Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, and all have different work. Microsoft PowerPoint, even the slides which you can see, which are prepared by me, these are prepared in Microsoft PowerPoint. So there is also Microsoft logo. Logo is also present there, program. So when you open that logo program in your computer, then in that a page will be open, and you will be able to do whatever. If you want to do the calculation, you can do it. If you want to do the typing, you can do it, or you can draw shapes there. So in order to get that logo program, you need to install the Microsoft software in your computer or download it. So how to start, or how to find where the Microsoft logo window is present in your computer? It is shown in the video, and it is also written on the top that first you have to on the button with the first the UPS, and then the CPU and the monitor screen will open, and in the monitor screen first the welcome page will come, and then the desktop screen will be shown, and then you will go to start menu. From start you will go to all programs, and from all programs in Microsoft you will find the Microsoft logo window. So let us see in the video how it can be done. Those who have computer or laptop at your house, you can do it and you can use it. Now you have already seen how to open the Microsoft Windows logo. When you click on Microsoft Windows logo, our logo window will appear, or you can say it, a page will appear which has different parts. So let us see what are the different parts of a logo window. At the topmost you can see the title bar. Title means heading. So this bar will show you the heading of your file. File means whatever work you are doing, it has to be given a name. So the name will be shown there. If you have not given any name, then it will be written untitled, means without name. The next is menu bar. In this menu bar, different buttons or tabs are there, like file tab, like view tab, like help tab. Different buttons are there. You can use them for different purposes. And finally, you will see in the middle where the rectangular is present. This rectangular is known as turtle. We will talk about it in the next slide. This area is known as, this white area is known as graphic screen. Whatever drawing or whatever work you are doing, suppose you are doing the calculation, or you are doing the writing work, or you are making any shape, it will be shown here in this graphic screen. Down you will find the commander window. Now one thing, let's be clear with it. When I was talking about program, I said that what is program? Program are the set of instructions or command. Your programming, your logo is not going to work unless you give instructions to it. You have to give orders to it or commands to it. Then only it will work and it will show the results. So whatever command you are giving it, and commands are also different. We will talk about it later, what are the different commands of logo. So when you are giving the commands, these commands will be shown here in this window, this commander window. Down is the input box. Input box can be used to type the command, because you need to type it. Unless you type it, logo is not going to respond. It will not answer you. It will not, suppose you want to make a circle. So you have to type the command of the circle. It's not that I want you to make a circle, you will write there and it will show you. No, there are certain different commands there which need to be given. So you will do that. Typing you will do that. That typing will be shown in the input box. So what are the different parts of logo window? First is the title bar, menu bar, graphic screen, commander window and input box. Now, you might have seen a turtle in the water, but there is another turtle present in a computer screen in the Microsoft Windows logo. This is the logo turtle, and as I said earlier that a logo program will only function when instructions or commands are given to it. So this logo turtle follows the commands of the logo and it will do according to it. So it has a head and a tail and it follows the command in a series. It will always stay in the graphic screen. As in the previous slide, you have seen the Microsoft logo window and the screen, graphic screen. So this turtle is present in the graphic screen, and whatever drawing or whatever shapes you draw, it will be displayed there. So did turtles follows the command in a series, like first whatever command you are giving it, like you are asking it to move forward or you are asking it to move back, whatever command you are giving it, it will first follow that, followed by which how many steps you have taken. This turtle is walking. It is walking in the screen, so you have to tell him it how much step to be taken by it, and then you have to press the enter. It will return back on pressing the enter, and this how it works. In the next slide you will see there is a demo in a video which will show you how the turtle works. You Here in this video, you can see the Microsoft logo window or Microsoft Windows logo, and in this screen, you can see the input box where you can type the commands, and these commands will be displayed or can be seen in the commander window. And as you can see, the turtle is in the screen, the graphics screen. It will move and it will leave the lining behind, it will leave the line behind. So this how you can drop shapes and different pictures here in the logo window. Here in this video,